Glamour chapter welcomes you to another new video. Hey there, beautiful souls. Welcome back to Glamour Chapter's channel. Today, we've got something special lined up for you. It's all about that 2023 glow up, and trust me, we've got some game-changing, realistic tips and tricks to share with you. Whether it's enhancing your physical appearance or nourishing your inner self, we've got it all covered. So, let's dive right in. Segment 1. Mindset matters. A successful glow-up begins with the right mindset. In 2023, we're all about self-love, self-acceptance, and growth. Here's how to get started. Daily affirmations. Begin your day with positive affirmations. These will set a confident and self-assured tone for your day. Journaling. Keep a journal to track your goals, thoughts, and progress. It's a great way to stay accountable to yourself. Meditation. Start or end your day with a short meditation session to center your thoughts and reduce stress. Segment 2. Skincare and beauty. Now, let's talk about enhancing your physical appearance. Remember, beauty is about feeling comfortable in your own skin. Skincare routine. Invest in a good skincare routine that suits your skin type. Cleansing, moisturizing, and sunscreen are the basics. Healthy diet. Incorporate fruits, veggies, and plenty of water into your diet. A well-balanced diet can do wonders for your skin. Exercise. Find an exercise routine that you enjoy. This not only helps you stay fit but also releases those feel-good endorphins. Fashion upgrade. Update your wardrobe with pieces that make you feel confident and comfortable. It's all about expressing your unique style. Segment 3. Mental and emotional well-being. Your mental and emotional well-being is equally important. Here's how to nurture your inner self. Therapy and self-help books or podcasts. Consider therapy if needed, and dive into self-help books to work on personal growth. Limit social media. Cut down on mindless scrolling and comparison. Use social media mindfully and unfollow accounts that don't make you feel good. Stay connected. Spend quality time with loved ones. Positive relationships are a key part of your glow-up journey. Segment 4. Skill development. In 2023, skill development is a hot topic. Learning new things not only boosts confidence but also adds value to your life. Online courses. Enroll in online courses to learn something new, be it a language, a creative skill, or a professional certification. Time management. Mastering time management will help you achieve your goals efficiently, leaving more time for personal growth. Segment 5. Self-care rituals. Let's not forget the importance of self-care rituals. These little acts of self-love can make a big difference. Bath time. Create a spa-like atmosphere at home with a relaxing bath and soothing music. Pamper nights. Dedicate a night to pamper yourself, from facials to DIY manicures. Digital detox. Take regular breaks from screens to recharge your mind. There you have it, our comprehensive guide to a realistic glow-up in 2023. Remember, it's not just about physical changes, but also about nurturing your mental and emotional well-being. The journey to self-improvement is a lifelong one, so be patient and kind to yourself along the way. If you found these tips helpful, give this video a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiration on self-love and personal growth. Thank you for joining us today, and here's to your beautiful, glowing 2023.